Best Autel Scanners. Number 1. Autel Car Diagnostic Scanners. The Autel Maxicom MK808BT is the latest car diagnostic scanner from Autel. It has a compact body, allowing you to easily slip it into any pocket. The device is capable of scanning 29 different OBD2 protocols, as well as supports all major vehicle manufacturers' models. With a powerful diagnostic scan engine and continuous update software, it can handle almost any vehicle systems you want, making it one of the best diagnostic tools for your car or truck. This scanner has the ability to check a wide variety of vehicle systems and perform over 6,500 plus different tests. The device is compatible with all OBD2 protocols and it works on both gasoline and diesel engines. With this scanner, you can diagnose problems with your fuel injection, electric systems, emission control system as well as airbag modules. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Autel MK808TS Scanner. The Autel Maxicom MK808TS is an advanced professional scanner tool for all domestic and imported cars, trucks and SUVs. The Maxicom MK808TS includes Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, memory feature that allows the user to retrieve information from the vehicle's ECU without the need of having an active power source. Not only can this scan tool diagnose OBD2 compliant vehicles but also comes with an additional coverage for compatibility with all OBD2 related protocols including CAN, ISO 9141 and KWP 2000, as well as being able to support other custom protocols. Also included are rear view camera input, color LCD screen and additional features such as Bluetooth connectivity simply by using your smartphone. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Autel OBD2 Scanner. The Autel OBD2 Scanner is a handheld scan tool for vehicles with OBD2 and EAP compliant onboard diagnostic systems. Use it to quickly and easily read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, in your vehicle, as well as view freeze-frame data for difficult to reproduce intermittent faults. It also provides live data stream to indicate fuel trim adjustments, oxygen sensor readings and knock count/intensity. It's easy to install and use. This item is used as an OBD2 diagnostic scanner that uses an interface to communicate with the vehicle's computer system. Autel MaxiDiag Elite works with all 1996 and newer cars and light trucks that are OBD2 compliant, excluding some European models. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Autel Maxicom Scanner. Autel latest Maxicom MK808 scan tool is the answer to all your automotive diagnostic problem with an easy, affordable solution that goes where you need it. Its powerful yet streamlined design makes it small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, so you can carry it easily in your shirt pocket or in a tool bag. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Autel MaxiPro Scanner. The Autel MaxiPro professional diagnostic scan tool utilizes the latest automotive technology to scan and diagnose a wide range of vehicles. The scanner is equipped with an easy-to-use touchscreen interface with quick menu selection for improved functionality and operation. The Autel MaxiPro system gives you greater control over your vehicle from self-diagnostics to reading codes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.